that are biting us now, and what is the plan going forward. Those who will be coming here next. I want to thank you. I am opening the floor now to our users, our customers, whom we honor very well. Thank you very much. We need to get your name.
Good morning, members. My name is Musta Sam, Human Resources.
Alternative sources, international diesel generators, the operation cost goes high. So do we have an alternative that we can rely on until restoration?
We highly concentrate livestock feeds. Of recent, we got this challenge, but I have a question for ECL. Hello. Another thing I would request, can you provide a duration on how long the installation will be done?
I beg to guide and submit. Thank you. Who is who here, especially youth use. There are people who serve in these areas that are affected that you may need to know. And also possibly.
So it is a big loss on our side also. And we are facing this challenge of vandalism for our Lugazi factory from a long time. As personally also we have addressed this issue on a personal level also, and we have tried to mobilize the local police also to guard our line. But I want to request UDCL to please guard the line very carefully, because the vandalism happened and the days of the losses which we are bearing, it is unbearable. And it is a huge loss there on our side. So I request UDCL that the time you are going to repair the line, by the time what is the substitute, that how we can run our plant a little bit, because it is a huge loss and we are the primary manufacturer of our steel industry in Uganda. And we are doing 0 to 100% in Uganda from iron ore from Kabale. So this is the one and only one industry, steel industry, which is doing from 0 to 100% in Uganda. And we are the large power consumer. I should not reveal the bill here, but the UDCL team knows that what is the bill we are paying to the UDCL per month. So I request to the team that please allow us to get the subsidy.
Have security groups. Where did these people pass? We are looking at the impact. It is impacting the whole of Uganda. We have people who survive with working with these industries. They are down prior. Where did these people pass? Don't you have security guards? What would you have done for this not to happen? And which assurance are we having that after losing close to a week, we are not losing again? Thank you.
And my main question is, how swift is power going to be restored? Because the idea is the machines we use are heavy duty machines. They cannot just run on simple generators. Thank you.
UECL, sometimes we have order from our customers. Of which that order, others can give like 1 day ahead, 2 days ahead. So we're getting the challenges. I was requesting, in case there is any problem, they give us the vivid information and the duration it's going to take for the power to get stable, so that we also inform our clients or our customers so that we don't lose them. Thank you.
And the total number of customers who are affected are 128,000 customers. Now, if you are off that like
Nyonga.
UEDCL twafunye amawulire nti line eya UETCL transmission yabadde vandalized ekiro olwokuna, era ekyo nga ffe aba UEDCL kitukosa nnyo nti bakasitoma baffe abasukka emitwalo 12,800 ab'omu kitundu ky'e Mukono ne ebitundu ebirinaanyeewo bali affected. Kitutawanyiza kitya nti substation 3 zikaluubirizibwa kati kuba nzifuna amasanyalaze: Mukono North, Mukono Central ne Waligo substation, nga zonna ziba zitaaga amasanyalaze agatakka wansi wa MVA megavolts 157 okusobola okuwa bakasitoma omusango gwetwetaaga. Kati olwa vandalism eno eyatuuse ku line ya transmission, tusobola kufuna megavolts 15 zokka. Ekitegeeza nti megavolts 90% tuzifunye okusupplyinga bakasitoma baffe, era ba manufacturers abasinga betuziza okusinkana wano n'eri Mukono gye tuva okubategeeza obuzibu obwaleeteddwawo vandalism, nti batuweeyoko obudde nga tukolagana ne Uganda Electricity Transmission Company ngezaawo supply okusobola okufuna megavolts ezo eziwera 100 zetasobola kuba supplyinga nga bakola emirimu gyabwe. Era kyamukisa mubi nti factory ezisinga ennene eziri mu kitundu kati teziriiko, era ne national water ye pumping amazzi ekatosi nabo era bali affected. Kugaba n'olw'ensonga eyo ekintu kya vandalism kifiiriza kati abakozi bangi abakola mu factory ezo tebakola. National water tusobola kusindika amazzi kubanga ababbi baleese obuzibu, line nezimenyeka. Kugamba kyabulabe nnyo nnyo, era gavumenti eri mu kunoonyereza abantu abo.
Sigamba nti waliwo ebisinza okutukaluubiriza kubanga lweyali nga bwe mbagambye tulina emergency plan kubikusoyinga system mu nnaku 4 nze ndaba ebbanga ttono nnyo, kubanga bw'ogamba nti tugizeewo nga bwebadde obwo tuba tuli myezi 6 nga 8, naye kati bwe mba nkugamba nnaku 4 olaba nti ekyo kitono nnyo, wadde ezo ennaku nnyingi ku bantu abakozesa amasanyalaze mu bizinesi. Ekyo kyo tukimanyi.
When it is collapsed, the gentleman was up there when it did. Right now, we have been planning to put ERS, but they reached in stores. The ERS, they are not enough because of many vandalism on our lines. Now, we are planning to put wooden structures that side. From the other terminal, the other tower, up to the other end. We are going to use 60-feet poles. So our team, they are planning to go to load the what? The poles. I think there we are. I cannot tell the day when are we going to restore power, but we are on what? On the system. We are trying as much as possible so that our customers can get power.